My name is Chef Rogelio Garcia here from Luce restaurant inside the InterContinental San Francisco, and tonight is the final night, night number 3. And tonight's competitors is Roshin and Alexander, and I hand over the kitchen tonight to them. This is the Culinary Clash 2022.
In culinary school, you get taught a certain way, and then when you're out in the real world, it's completely different.
Giving back in a way that you can give somebody a chance to see what it really feels like in the real world. Working restaurant is, I think, an invaluable experience.
Cool. I wish when I was younger there was a program like this, because it gets you ready, mentally ready for what's to come, right?
The three different teams, and all of them did very well. All of them were highly motivated, and I think whatever they do, they will do well in the future.
How you doing? I'm Rashawn Chapman. I'm a student at the City College of San Francisco.
My name is Alexander Lee, and I just recently graduated from CCSF's Culinary and Hospitality program.
Me and Alex, actually, we worked together 5 years ago. So we was working at a bowling alley at a cafe. In the cafe.
We grew our relationship there because we were pretty much constantly working with each other.
And we just didn't, we both wanted to do something else.
I convinced him to start the culinary program at CCSF. A lot of my actual focus in culinary is proper technique and elevating with technique.
Hey. Hello. Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
Thank you for coming tonight.
Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you.
The first course, as you know, we had a rainbow quinoa guacamole salad, which had lemon honey vinaigrette.
I thought the appetizer was very well balanced. I really like the crunch to it. Also the salty savoriness.
There were a lot of flavors, a lot was going on. So I think that would truly be and I just loved the whole combination of it. That was my favorite.
The second course, we have a thyme roasted duck breasts with a taro puree and duck fat roasted carrots with the orange sauce, also known as a Big Rod sauce.
I personally love duck, so I was a big fan of that. And then the sauce was a nice, kind of sweet, citrusy sauce that I really like the contrast of with kind of the rich fattiness that usually duck has.
I thought when they introduced taro instead of potato, I was like, that's really, really cool.
And then for the third course, we will have a strawberry buttermilk panna cotta. And it will be served with chocolate crumble and a cocoa nib wheel.
Dessert was delicious. The panna cotta was really great texture, really smooth. I like the freshness of the strawberry in contrast with kind of the creamy vanilla.
The dessert panna cotta also very solid, so it was a very solid dish tonight.
Really, this isn't really a competition, it's really a growing experience, it's an education, it's really not a competition because everybody's my friend.
We did a lot of work, and we think that it helped us improve with all of the techniques that we've been using and that we've learned from City College of San Francisco.
Go CCSF.